Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nat here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to reset your mail app in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter and select apps, and in the left side select app and features and type mail. One click and select advanced options and scroll down and one click in terminate option, one click and click on reset. If this app isn't working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted. Click on reset and confirm and wait a moment. Can be patient. And this is all. Close this Windows and search for mail app and hit enter, and your app works properly. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.